we have a lot of builders and tradespeople we work with who understand it and are on board with most aspects of it, and really like the idea that they're actually building something that's a bit better than just the average as well. So they take pride in that, and especially if they sort of know that we're not going to. They don't have to be a passive house certified builder to actually achieve a really high performance functioning house. They can do it just by some more pragmatic solutions of what we provide to them, and they don't have to have any special training on doing it. They're just doing things a little bit. It's all pretty standard stuff mostly.
Obviously, with the Superhome movement, you've got designers and builders who are comfortable with those products. If you go to your Joe Bloggs builder who's never done a high performance house and a designer who's never drawn up anything other than spec houses, then they're going to really struggle with delivering that. So I think getting those connections between the design community, the build community, and the punter out there who's interested, and probably education around you getting the right people on your team, I think is really, really important. And that dovetails quite nicely with the whole Superhome thing anyway.
A lot of builders that I've worked with, they don't understand a lot of the the science behind why you'd make something more airtight, or why you put more insulation in. They just want to do it to the standard. I said, well, if you just do it to the standard, you're going to have a cold, moldy house. Whereas if we put a bit more insulation in, put some ventilation in, you're going to have a client that's going to be happy. They're going to be in a warm, healthy house.
And so, just over recent years, this is the way the industry has started to change. And now it's recognised, the building code recognises that if you're using LVL framing, you don't have to have horizontal dwangs, provided that you're using a 140 depth of framing. No dwangs are required. But whether that comes through into the design, the architect has to also understand that. And he also has to be committed to wanting to improve the performance of the home.
There are plenty of tools out there available for clients and even builders or other subcontractors to gain knowledge on how to do better. Once you know how to do better, you do better, and that's the great thing. I know that's what I want anyway, is I don't want to be mediocre or just do the average. So that's what our business strives for, is to be better than we were yesterday. The houses that we build, each one should be better than the last one.